Welcome to the most effective and evergreen Google My Business 3.0 HD video training course. We are very pleased to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. This course will discuss why your Google My Business listings are important for your local SEO strategy, as well as the process of creating and optimizing your listing, and all the answers one seeks about utilizing this platform. Let's dive in. Video number 1, Google My Business 3.0 HD video training. Video number 2, getting started with Google My Business. Video number 3, benefits of having a GMB profile in 2020. Video number 4, important changes to GMB after COVID-19. Video number 5, how to use the latest Google My Business features for your business. Video number 6, how to create a Google My Business listing. Video number 7, how to increase GMB reviews and conversions. Video number 8, how to optimize your Google My Business listing this year. Video number 9, improving local SEO with Google My Business. Video number 10, complete guide to UTM tagging for GMB. Video number 11, how to measure your GMB performance. Video number 12, how to use and understand GMB insights better. Video number 13, do's and don'ts of GMB. Video number 14, GMB technical setup, step-by-step tutorial. Video number 15, common GMB mistakes and how to fix them. A well-optimized Google My Business listing is crucial to getting in front of your customers before the competition. If you haven't heard of it or are confused about how to set one up, we're here to help. Everything you need to know is right here in this course. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.